Welcome to ProfitsBeat. Our team provides you with back-tested indicators that have a track record of real earnings. Plus, we'll guide you through trading basics to build a solid foundation. Don't miss out on our daily updates. Hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon to stay informed and empowered on your trading journey. Imagine having the power to transform your trading career from uncertainty to financial freedom. Today, we're sharing a groundbreaking trading strategy that can make this dream a reality. This strategy is a well-guarded secret of successful traders, and it's time for you to unlock its potential. This strategy employs only one key indicator to make precise trading decisions. Let's dive into the details of this strategy, which has proven successful for many traders, including myself. We are going to use only one indicator in this strategy. Let us start by adding the indicator. To add this indicator to your chart, go to the indicator section and search for the trend reversal predictor. Add the indicator to your chart. Modify the settings, uncheck all the checkboxes until you see resistance or support. Then uncheck all the checkboxes except shapes and until the last shape labeled green checkbox. Save the settings. The trend reversal predictor indicator gives us the exact trend reversal signals along with the support and resistance lines so that we can execute our trades successfully. It will serve as one of our decision-making tools in this strategy. It plays a vital role in our strategy by providing valuable insights into price movements. Rules for buying and selling using this strategy. First, let us see the rules for buying. We need to wait for a buy signal to generate from the trend reversal predictor indicator after the signal has been generated. Wait until it reaches the blue line. Be patient, and once the candle reaches the line and if all conditions are met, take the trade. Set a stop loss. If the candle reaches the resistance line, exit the trade to minimize potential losses. See, we made some huge profits by following this strategy. We waited for the buy signal to be generated, then we saw that the candles had touched the blue line and we took the trade and made huge profits. See, this is one more example where I made some huge profits from this indicator. Similarly for the sell trade. Wait for a sell signal to generate. Check the trend reversal predictor. Wait until the trend gets reversed after touching the red line. If all conditions align, take the sell position. Set a stop loss, exit the trade if the candle hits the resistance line. See the example for sell trade where we made some huge profits. Here is one more example where I have made a lot of profit. See, we made a lot of profit from these trades by following the same rules. Remember to subscribe, like, and join our Telegram channel for detailed documentation and updates. This trading strategy has been proven effective, allowing traders to capture profits consistently. However, before implementing it in live trading, practice and familiarize yourself with the indicators. Patience and discipline are crucial for success in the trading game. Follow stop-loss rules diligently to manage risk effectively. That's it for now. Happy trading, and may you achieve profitable results with this game-changing strategy.